There. Welcome back yet again. It's time for another coding stream. We're right here in the studio, if you want to call it that. Today, I got a brand new set of projects going on. No, I don't. That's a complete lie. Today, we're back to working on the load save system. Um, Everything is basically done for the load save system. As far as actually implementing the system. So all that remains is to implement the load save for a couple more entities that need that implemented. So we have to deal with the trailers, which I may need to rework how they're done just all together. So we've got load save for the trailers, and then we have load save for the seeds, which is dead simple. Also the popping popcorn, I might even worry about that, but I think I'll go ahead and throw it in just for kicks. Anyway, that's it for at least for now. As we build out new things, we'll need to implement their load save functions, but that's where we're at. So let's hop right into it. I think I'm gonna play around. I should make a new scene for this. Give me just a minute. So you don't need to see all the coding going on. What you want to see, let's just come over here to scenes. What's on this scene? Oh, that's that scene. Okay. Let's duplicate this, and we're going to call this new scene. I said duplicate. Where's my duplicate scene? Oh, here we go. It wants a name. Okay, capture. Get this microphone back here. That's kind of in the camera a lot. A little more. There we go. Hopefully it's still, you can hear me. Looks okay, a little quiet, but I got it cranked to the max, so maybe get a little more in there. There we go. That looks good. All right. Editor. Okay, I don't have that set up on a hotkey or anything, but now for the editor scene, we're just gonna go to sources. We're on scene editor now, so we'll just hide the debug. We're gonna hide the browser. We're gonna make this a whole lot bigger. Now you guys should be able to see, although it is a bit pixelated, but that's okay. I think you'll be able to read it better. See what I've got going on, and I'll just slide myself on over. I'll scale myself down a little bit. There we go. I don't need to be huge. Okay. This back over here out of the way so I can actually get work done. And let's pop this over here. Okay, there you go. There you have it. Now let's write some code. All right, the trailers. Trailers consist of a few things, and they're going to be relatively easy to implement. Yeah, they'll be relatively easy to implement. The thing I have to figure out is this attach function that we have assigned. to the UI widget. That's going to be the thing that makes this complicated. um, yeah, that's the thing that makes it complicated. So, let's do seeds real quick. That'll be easy to show you the basic process here. There's the trailer. That's what I was looking for. But let's do it on seeds. Seeds are simple. Plant seed. Okay. So we come down from seed. We have slim. We're just going to copy these two functions and this. Go up to seed. And we'll paste it in here. Okay, now we got to edit it quite a bit, but one thing I've learned is you need to have that function down here. So we'll make these be static. I think that is good. So, oh, we also need to change this to seed. Basically, we're going to tag it with seed, the save data blob. And we'll save the location of it. And what else? We need to save the timer's time. So this should not be static. This dot timer.time. So all we really need from the timer is the time. Nothing else really changes. And then we also need the crowding. So and that's it. So anything that's specific to this seed and not generic to all seeds, we need to save that data, right? And then here, we're going to make a new seed. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, that's fine. Okay. And then we already pulled the transform data here. Just drop it directly in, so we don't need that. In fact, don't need a rotation for that either. So now all we need is the time. So entry dot save data dot time. Entry dot, let's see what else, crowding. We'll save data dot crowding, and that's really all we have to do there. So it's pretty simple. All right, I gotta take a quick break. Should have done this before I left. Be right back. All right, while I was off, I decided to go ahead and grab myself a cup of hot cocoa. I would drink coffee, but I wouldn't sleep. Speaking of, well, not really speaking of anything, but while I'm thinking of it, let me pull up the stream on my phone. Oh, we are streaming, right? Come on. There we go. Hey, and I'm the first one here. So if anybody says anything, I'll catch it in 5 or 10 minutes. All right. So we went over basically how we serialize and deserialize. While I was momentarily away, I had some time to think things through, and I think I know how I want to do the trailers. So for each kind of trailer, I'm gonna make like a trailer factory, I guess you could say, and have a trailer type. And then depending on the trailer type, will determine basically which of these functions it calls. Now I'll just wrap each of these in a functions for like make sprayer, make seeder, make wagon, and I intend to add more kinds of wagons and trailers and seeders and things. So I think this will get us to a good spot, functional spot. All right. First, we'll move all this seed stuff. Up, up, above the trailer. There we go. So all the trailers are together with the trailer thing, more or less. There's some other utility functions there, but all right. So then we need serialize, deserialize, can't talk, deserialize, and this add component. We'll throw that on the end of the trailer. And we're also going to need this register component function that's way too long. We'll put it there at the end of the trailer also, after the trailer. I think we'll tag it as trailer. We'll call one serialize function that will generate all different trailers, and then we'll have a different little tag we put on it depending on which kind of trailer it is. So then I'll be able to just say generate our new trailer tag, essentially. It'll basically be another constructor function. So it's going to look like this. Trailer type, it's a function. It's going to return a trailer, so it's basically going to say const. Oh, it's going to take a type, and then we'll have a switch in here. Case apple, well, cedar, supposed to be a space there. Yeah. Case wagon. See, so seeder, the wagon, and the, what's the other one? Sprayer. For now, we just got the 3 types. Default. Hello. All right. Looks like we'll be cut short tonight. I got to go take care of some stuff. Catch y'all next time. Have a good one.